I lead the global Wipro Hydraulics business. So Wipro Hydraulics is one of the leading hydraulic cylinder manufacturers in the world. We have close to 16 manufacturing plants around the world. What are we displaying here very differently this time? So we are also investing through Wipro Research in India and through universities a lot in advanced technologies, which I think is very, very exciting as we're trying to make the product much more lighter, much more efficient, using smart technologies that can change the way we offer our products to the customers on the industry. So really, really excited with the investments we're making, investments in the global footprint. If you've heard about our Jaipur facility, that got launched in 2024. If you have not been to that facility, I would encourage you. It's a very, very advanced manufacturing facility. What we do within Wipro Hydraulics to ensure that we have the investment done to give what I would call as very precision engineering, right? To ensure that the reliability of those cylinders are very high. Because think about it this way, right? If you have a load at a very high and there's leakage in the cylinders, it can drop, right? So the safety of the equipment becomes very, very important. Defense is also one good area that we do invest and have cylinders that go into defense applications. In the United States, we have agriculture. So it is a very diverse range of applications. And so we have good capabilities in all these segments to understand the application, the duty cycle, to be able to really design products for these markets. I think we probably have one of the largest diverse application segments as compared to other hydraulic cylinder manufacturers in the world. And I think that is our strength, the know-how and the technical knowledge. The product I just talked about, this goes in the garbage truck application. So if you think about it, the coating is very, very special. That really helps in the harsh environmental conditions that the garbage truck sees. And therefore, these cylinders are really designed right for those applications. So this gives you a sense of all the applications that we do, right from the telehandlers to the dump trucks, to the tippers, to the backhoes. Again, that's one of our strengths is the diverse application segments that we participate in. But here you only have the construction. We also play in the agriculture market segment too.
Snow removal machines and also.
That was the one that I showed you behind. That same thing for garbage and snow is the same. We also have this one goes for the telehandlers. So again, this is the market is very huge in Europe and the United States, the telehandlers. And we are working with customers. We're supplying these in India as well as into Europe and the United States. These are the one on the sensors. We could have sensors like a magnetic or an optical sensor that can help you decide the position of the cylinder, which then helps in the the productivity of the equipment as it's used in the application. So that's an example of the
machine.
Yeah, so the sensor provides information. It just talks about it's going forward, reverse. It just gives you the information that it's needed. When we supply the whole system, then it's this one, but then mostly we then leave for the OEM to be able to design. Because if you think about the OEM, they also have other telematic information from their equipment that they are putting it together. So they will use our output of our sensors and then design their own telematic system too.
This is essentially a PLC driven program logical driven.
Correct. So the biggest thing that you do is like you get the information, you make algorithms that then gets you the useful information you're looking for, right? That is important for the customer. That's what's done.